Hello students, welcome to General Knowledge class. Hope you would be fine at home. Today we are going to start with chapter 2, Fruity Fun. Do you remember what we have done in our last class? We have done about the great personalities. So let's start with today's class. Before starting, let's have a quiz time. Now, first question is, who wrote Discovery of India? So you have to tell the name of the person who has written Discovery of India. Second question, where is the smallest bone in our body located? So which is the smallest bone? You have to tell the name. I hope that you have guessed the answer. Now let's see it. First one is Jawaharlal Nehru. He wrote Discovery of India. We know that Jawaharlal Nehru is our Chacha Nehru and he wrote about this book. And second question's answer is, ear is the smallest bone in our body. So you got the answer, and those who have given the correct answer were clapping for them. Now let's see the chapter. Second chapter, Fruity Fun. So here we have to identify the fruits. Now first one is, now we can see that it is some pink in color, right? And it is scaly on top of it. And it is also known as, what does it know? It is known as pitaya. Yes, the name of the fruit is dragon fruit. And second one, it is a excellent source of vitamin C. And it is commonly known as shehtoot. So the name of the fruit is mulberry. And the third one, it is small in the marble size. And it is orange and tomato colored. So the name is poha berry. And the last one, it is, as the shape shows, it is in star shape. And it is called as kamrak, right? And the name of the fruit is star fruit. Now we have done part A. Now let's move further. So here in this we have to mark true and false. So first one is, dried plums are commonly known as raisins. And dried plums are actually known as prunes. And raisins are the dried grapes. So the sentence is false. Second, pumpkins, avocados and what else? And tomatoes, yes, are vegetables? No, it's false. Actually, these are considered as fruits because they have fleshy inside it and it has seeds. So that's why they are considered as fruits. Next, pomegranate contains around 600 to 1400 seeds. Yes, so it is true. Pomegranate, it has a high antioxidant. And last one is, lemon contains more sugar than strawberries. Yes, it is also true. Lemon contains around 70% sugar, whereas strawberry contains only 40% sugar in it. Now it's given, do you know that here a pineapple plant can bear or can give only a single pineapple in a year. So it is so interesting to know about a pineapple. Now next, now here we have to explain about the phrases which is underlined. Now in this, answer is written and I am going to read out the sentence and then I'll explain the meaning of the phrase, and the meaning you have to write in the space given in your book. Now here the first sentence is, Aman is a very obedient and intelligent boy, and he is the apple of everyone's eye. So the meaning of this phrase, that apple of everyone's eye, is favorite. So he is favorite of all. Next is that Jay has been blaming Karan for some time now, but everyone knows it is just a case of sour grapes. So the case of sour grapes is a phrase, and its meaning is pretending not to want something because one cannot have it. That means the person actually wants, but they pretend that they do not want it because they know that they cannot have it. Next one, when Arjun and Ravi met their favorite actor, they went bananas. So went bananas is a phrase, and its meaning is they became very excited after seeing their favorite actor. Next is Myra cherry picked the members for her new musical group. Now it means, cherry picked means choose very carefully. So that means Myra chose very carefully all the members for her musical group. Last one is that Dia and Ria are twins, but comparing them is like comparing apples and oranges. So it means that comparing apples and oranges, that it compare two things which actually does not have common anything in it. So you have to write these meanings in the space provided. Now let's move to the next part. Now here we have to solve it. Here we can see in the image that 3 mangoes are given, which is equal to 60. So that means if we add 20 plus 20 plus 20, it becomes 60. So the value of 1 mango is equal to 20. So remember that. So in the next one, mango plus 1 jamun and 1 more jamun is equal to 40. So here 1 mango means 20, and if we take out 20 from 40, how much is left? 20 is left. And how many jamuns are there? 2 jamuns. So 10 and 10. So the value of 1 jamun is 10. And in the third one, jamun minus strawberry is equal to 8. So we know the value of jamun, that is 10. So 10 minus 8 if I do, we get 2. So the value of strawberry is 2. And let's add up. Value of mango is 20. Value of jamun is 10. And value of strawberry is 2. So 20 plus 10 plus 2 is equal to 32. Yes. So we have solved this. Now let's see, just for fun, a riddle. My name sounds like a beer and I am green in color. What am I? Can you tell me? This is the name of the fruit is pears. P-E-A-R. So it just sounds like beer and it is green in color. So it's a very nice riddle. So students, you are going to do this work in your general knowledge book. Take care. Bye students.